Hey, welcome to Kids Art Now. I'm Marissa, and today we're going to be drawing Oogie Boogie. The first step for Oogie Boogie is to draw a big U shape. That's going to be the bottom of his head. Now start by making a big curve that's kind of rounded at the side, and then bring it in and up just a bit. Now from the bottom, start drawing an arm, just like that. And then on the right, another arm. This one's going to go up. And then bring it around. We're going to start to draw the legs. Go down, down, kind of curved. Curve around, kind of make like a bump, kind of like a hill to close up his legs. We're going to make some of the stitching marks on his body. Oops, just fill it in, and then a mark. Looks good. Let's make some more stitching marks. Just draw a line and then cross over randomly wherever you want the stitches to be. Go up. I'll put some stitches on his head. Now let's work on the eyes. Draw a curve. Draw another curve. And then draw a line down that goes around into the eye. Same thing on the other side, kind of like a moon. And then for his mouth, draw a very mischievous mouth going up, kind of past the eyes. Bring it around and close up his smile. Like I said, it doesn't need to be perfect because his body's kind of like misshapen. We're going to put some stitching on his mouth. Just draw little lines. Kind of random wherever you want. Another line there. Looks good. Put one right there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to color it in. I hope you enjoyed this drawing. Please subscribe for brand new drawings, and I will see you next time. Bye.